Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, I'm appreciating you. New viewers become subscribers. Tonight we're making a hamburger and or cheeseburger salad. I say and or because if you don't want cheese on your cheeseburger, you may not want it on your salad. Jumping right in, we're going to talk about the dressing first because I want to get that done and get it out of the way. This is extra virgin olive oil, 6 tablespoons. That's why I have the tablespoon in there. Then sliding right over here, this is lime juice, 2 tablespoons. We'll pour that right in. And then we have balsamic vinegar, so basically I'm making a vinaigrette. And this is 2 tablespoons. And then, and this is totally up to you. I have a Dijon mustard and I have a spicy brown, 1 tablespoon each. But you could certainly just do Dijon or spicy or just regular brown, regular mustard. And then last but not least, I have 1 teaspoon of sea salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. All we're gonna do is just give this a mix up. And that should give us a nice mustard taste to our vinaigrette, which is kind of the whole idea, right? We're doing a hamburger cheeseburger, and what do you put on a hamburger cheeseburger but ketchup, mustard, and things like that. So there you go, that's pretty good, and we'll mix that as we drizzle. So that's the salad dressing, that's done. Let's talk about the salad. Again, playing on a hamburger cheeseburger, so I've got some sharp cheddar that I've just shaved thin slices to. Totally optional, you don't have to do that. Typical ingredients for a hamburger cheeseburger, or toppings if you will: lettuce, tomato, onions, and pickles. So I've got, this is 2 heads of romaine lettuce that I just did a rough cut on. And then there's 12 Campari tomatoes, and they're just a thin slice. Kind of playing like you would if you saw the hamburger, you'd have a couple slices on there. These are mini kosher dills. So you could cut those up if you wanted, but I just thought they'd be good like that. This is a red onion, just 1 red onion, and it's got some slices to it. Typically you'd have the full ring slice on there, but it's a salad, so I don't think you want that much. So that's the salad, easy enough to do. Feel free to switch it up if you want something else on your salad. Go for it, you know what I mean? Now let's get to the heart of our meal tonight. This is 96% lean ground beef, 2 pounds. You don't have to go that lean, but I like my salads leaner cut, so it's a little healthier. Now we got some spices to add to this. Again, we're trying to play with the topping. So I've got some ground mustard there. I've got some allspice there, sea salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ground ginger, and those are all a ½ teaspoon each. The reason for the allspice and the mustard is, again, we're trying to get the flavors that you would get out of ketchup and mustard, and allspice is very common in ketchup, and well, it's ground mustard, so there you go. With that, I've got some apple cider vinegar. Again, this would be found in your ketchup, and I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of this. This is to just help keep it from sticking, but also to add that ketchup flavor, and it doesn't have to be perfect. In addition to that, we got some beef stock. I'm going to go for 4 tablespoons of beef stock. We're going to cook this over medium low, so about a 4 until it's browned. So there you go. That's 4 tablespoons of that. We'll see you in 5 to 10 minutes. It should be brown. Here we go. It's been actually 9 minutes. I strained a little bit of the juice off, and I think it's good. It's all browned up. So let's just put this right over the top of our salad, trying to strain out and that excess fat that did come through. This is it, though. A nice, healthy beef salad that's not a steak salad, because most of the beef salads you run across are steak salads. So, as you can see, I've gone ahead and plated up or bowled up a little bit of our salad, and I'm remixing that just to make sure that it's good and thoroughly mixed. But there you go, there's our mustard vinaigrette. Do a little double shot of that. You could use a tomato vinaigrette if you wanted to try to get a little more of that ketchup flavor. But that's really all there is to it. It's a healthy salad, especially if you leave off the cheese. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know what alterations or whatever you do with yours. And check back for the next video. Otherwise, take care.